Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add accounts to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. This is essential for keeping your financial records organized and ensuring you can track specific expenses or income categories that matter to your business. Let's start by heading to the top right corner of your QuickBooks screen, where you'll find the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click on it to open the settings menu. From the drop-down that appears, select Chart of Accounts. This is where QuickBooks stores all your financial accounts, from bank accounts to expense categories, giving you a complete overview of your business finances. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts screen, look for the New button and click it. This opens a form where you can create your new account. In the account name field, type in the name you want to use. For example, if you're tracking PayPal fees, you'd enter PayPal fees here. The name should be clear and specific so you can easily identify what this account is for when you're recording transactions later. Next, you'll need to select the account type. Click the drop-down menu and choose Expenses, since payment processing fees are a business expense. After selecting your account type, you'll see another drop-down for Detail type. Here, choose Bank Charges or a similar option that best matches the nature of your fees. QuickBooks uses detail types to group similar accounts together in your financial reports. If you want to organize this account under a parent category, you can check the box that says Make this a sub-account, then select the parent account, such as bank fees, from the drop-down. This creates a hierarchy in your chart of accounts, making it easier to view related expenses together. This step is optional but useful for keeping things tidy. For the opening balance field, you can typically leave this blank or set it to 0, especially for new expense accounts. If you want to add context for future reference, there's a description field where you can type something like fees charged by PayPal for payment processing. This helps anyone reviewing your accounts understand exactly what this category is for. Finally, click Save and Close to add the account to your chart of accounts. Your new account is now ready to use whenever you record transactions in QuickBooks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.